Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Chanel unboxing. So this is my first ever Chanel bag. I love me some luxury bag, but I literally been wanting this bag for ages, and I finally had the opportunity to actually buy it. So especially now that the prices keep increasing, you know, you have to get it now. Who knows when you're gonna be able to get it when it gets even more and more expensive. But either way, let me show you guys. Isn't this beauty? It's gorgeous. So yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this one. So as I said, I've been wanting this bag for ages, and I had the opportunity to go to the New Bond Street Chanel store, and I actually wasn't sure that they even had the bag when I went there. I didn't, you know, really ask if they had it or not. I just went there, and thank God they did. I had an amazing style advisor, and that is really like, they normally Chanel, like I've heard a lot of negative reviews about the sale advisor, the customer service over there, but I have to admit I had no issues at all. Like from the moment we got in and we got seated to the sale advisor showing me the bags, you know, the one I wanted, showing me extra things. So I definitely, you know, I do recommend the New Bond Street store. I'm not sure about the other ones because that was the only store I've gone to, and I loved it. And my sale advisor, her name was Christina. I do recommend if you go there, ask for Christina. She was literally amazing. Yeah, so let's get into the bag. So here's the box, and because I know already what's inside, so I'm not gonna really change that much for me. But yeah, let's get into it. Let me open it before I tell you guys what's inside actually, but I think most of you guys will probably realize already, like this is, I think, is the most sold bag in Chanel. Like everybody normally likes it. So let me show you guys. Probably from this you can already see. Myself the classic black bag in caviar leather in small. So my plan was always to get the small one. I think at one point I did think about should I go for mini, because it was a lot more cheaper. Should I go for mini, should I go for small, medium, and I decided let me just go for the small one. I think medium was a bag that I did for a while, did consider it. I think it also because I love small bags, and you know, for me the small bags are more easier than a bigger bag, and you know, because you only put the essential things like your wallet, your phone, and hand sanitizers, but you know, and lip gloss or lipstick. And you know, whatever else small things you need. So I don't really need anything huge because I don't really put that much things inside. So that's why this bag felt really nice. So let's open this. This is how it has. Okay, it has a small zipper here. From what I've heard, the Coco Chanel used to love to put like a love note inside, because they think you can't fit a love letter inside unless it's like really small. So it's not really huge, like it's really small. You guys can see like it's really small. And then there's also a spacing here inside, in between the flap here. And this is it. Isn't it cute? This is so cute. I love it. I really love it. And then there's also another pocket here in the back, where I probably will put something like a bus card, I don't know, something small. And then, yeah, so you guys can see from inside how it looks like. Not sure if you can see. So it really feels well, like, you know, my wallet and everything. And it has that, not sure if you guys can see from inside, it has that Chanel. It says here like Chanel, made in France. So yeah, it's so cute. And the sale advisor did say that when you're using this, do not close this one, just leave it. But of course you can close it if you want, but it's better just to leave this open. And so I was like, yeah, definitely. And also from a lot of Chanel bag views, you can really see that there's not many people that actually even close this flap. So I think when I'm going to be using this, probably it's going to just leave it like this and just close it and close it. And then, but I have been thinking about getting something inside to keep the shape. And yeah, so I have just say that for a while I wasn't really sure if I'm going to be getting the lambskin or the caviar, but because a lot of people have been saying that with the lambskin, you know, it's just a different type of material, and I want something that lasts. So even if I scratches accidentally, there's not going to be, you know, scratch marks somewhere there, because I feel like the more you're trying to be careful of not ruining your bag, the more likely you're actually going to do something you know, accidental. So yeah, so I'm so happy I got my caviar and just love the bag. It literally, when I actually looked at it next to the mini, you know, it was cute. They didn't have because the mini, they only have it with the lambskin, because I did email about that and said that the caviar one, they haven't had it in mini for in 2 years. Not sure how true that is, but I did send them an email, so I got the email address through their website. And yeah, so I was like, okay, if you don't have the caviar, let me at least with the small, because this has always been, you know, the bag that I wanted. But I was like, should I just save a little bit of money and get slowly into the Chanel? But you like, look how beautiful it is inside. Like, really, like, this is just gorgeous. It's gorgeous, really is gorgeous. Like, I really, like, I'm so in love. I'm really in love. This is just gorgeous. It's perfect size. I'll put a video of myself actually trying it at the store, so you guys can see how you can hold it and how it actually looks against me. I have gained weight, so I used to be a size 6 years ago. So through lockdown, I've at least gained a size bigger. I used to be 8'10", now I'm 12. So between my size, current size, this will just look still cute, and I felt like going into medium probably will be too big, because I just want something that will be cute for evening bag, not for everyday use. Even my everyday use bag, they're really small. Like, I just love small bags. But yeah, so this is a bag I would recommend anybody that if you can afford it, and you know that you can, at least, if you have enough money, let's say that if you can afford it, you can at least buy this twice. Go for it. Me, I can buy this probably 3 times, and you know, I was like, okay, let me try it because I can afford it, and you know, get it over it instead of waiting and then it keeps getting more and more expensive. Because from what I read, Chanel does increase their prices, I think, once or twice a year. And because I remember 2 years ago, I had saved this bag in small in my wish list, and back then it was like 4,000 something, 4,300, I think. I'll try and see if I can find a picture and just post it here. And it was, yeah, so it was much cheaper, and now you can see like it's literally increased like 700, and I was like, okay, let me quickly get it because I know that this probably used to be much cheaper than what it is at the moment. So I was like, let me get it over it, get it, and just be happy, and that's it. And I'm so happy that I got it. It still feels sometimes surreal to even, you know, feel like I actually drew on my own Chanel bag. But, you know, now is the only thing to do is go somewhere nice and wear it, probably either to a wedding, probably going just waiting for a cousin to tell me, hey, here's a wedding invitation, come on in, and so I can wear this bag. And yeah, but yes, I would love to hear what you guys think. Is Chanel bags one of the things that you've been thinking of buying? And yeah, what do you like about this bag, and what do you hate? Is there another bag that you would have loved to actually buy? Do you regret buying? At this moment, I can tell you guys, I do not regret at all buying it. Of course, it does feel like a huge amount. It's literally like £5,000, so it is a huge amount of money, but I don't regret it. I could afford it, so it's okay. And probably I'm planning on buying something else from there, probably a shoe. I was thinking about espadrilles, but we'll see, because there's a shoes that I really like, but I was like, hey, I'm already put 5,000 into a bag, so let's, you know, calm down a little bit, and let's see if I buy something for a birthday gift for myself or something. And yeah, so yeah, love to hear your comments. And yeah, so I have also been planning of probably doing like small, if you guys are interested to see my luxury bags, what I have, or my top most used luxury bags. And yeah, but yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and I would love to hear your comments. Do you remember down below, comment and subscribe and for more content. And thank you so much, and have a lovely day. Bye bye.